And as we get to the latest details, Kalicharan Maharaj was arrested by Chhattisgarh police from Khajuraho today morning for his alleged derogatory remarks against Mahatma Gandhi. A big political fight that has now erupted between the MP and Chhattisgarh governments over the arrest. Cutting across to my colleague Sumi for the very latest on this. Sumi, firstly, give us more details of the arrest and how the two state governments are fighting now.
Absolutely. The arrest was made this morning from Bageshwar Dham, which is 25 kilometers away from Khajuraho town in the state of Madhya Pradesh. And in fact, Sir Kalicharan had been in controversy after he made some speeches and hailed the assassin of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and also hurled many abuses at him and questioned his methods of gaining freedom of the country, and which is why he has been the controversy. And now a war of words have also been erupted between the state governments of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, because since the arrest was made from the soil of Madhya Pradesh, the Chhattisgarh government did not inform about the protocol and the arrest to the Madhya Pradesh administration, to which the Madhya Pradesh State Home Minister Narottam Mishra came out heavily on the Chhattisgarh government and said that this legal protocol should have been followed, and this arrest that has been made of Sir Kalicharan is certainly unconstitutional. Now, Chhattisgarh government has also responded to it. In fact, the Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has responded on the same, and in fact he has said there is nothing unconstitutional about this arrest, and in fact he has also questioned why the Bharatiya Janata Party of the state of Madhya Pradesh is unhappy about the arrest completely. And in fact he has asked the same question and posed the same question to Narottam Mishra, the BJP Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh. And the kind of controversy that had gone in the Sansad that lasted for 2 days in the capital of the central state of Chhattisgarh certainly involved all these political parties. And now what we're also hearing, that the owner of the homestay in Chhatarpur district where the Sir Kalicharan had been lodged has also now been taken into custody by the Madhya Pradesh police. And in fact, before that, the DGP of Madhya Pradesh police also had a word with the DGP of Chhattisgarh police, and now mostly the controversy has been resolved. But yes, the war of words between both the administration continues.
Yes. In fact, Sumi, Satya Vijay has spoken to Narottam Mishra. Let's listen into what he said, followed by other reactions, after which I come back to you.
कालीचरण महाराज, उनकी गिरफ्तारी पर आपने कुछ वैधानिक सवाल खड़े किए हैं।
मेरी आपत्ति है जो तरीका था छत्तीसगढ़ सरकार का, कांग्रेस की सरकार का, महाराज की गिरफ्तारी के पहले सूचना देनी थी, नहीं तो बाद में सूचना देते तत्काल वहाँ थाने ले जाके। दोनों बातें नहीं की गई। संदेश के माध्यम से जब पहले मीडिया से जानकारी आ गई, फिर पुलिस जानकारी देती है, फिर विज्ञप्ति जारी करती है। वेलेबल धाराएं थी, वो नोटिस देके भी जा सकते थे, वो वेल भी ले सकते थे, लेकिन मैं समझता हूं कि जो तरीका अपनाया गया बहुत खराब है। मैंने डीजीपी मध्य प्रदेश को कहा है कि डीजीपी छत्तीसगढ़ से आपत्ति दर्ज कराएं इस तरीके पर और अपना विरोध दर्ज कराएं स्पष्ट रूप से।
महात्मा गांधी जिन्होंने विश्व को शांति, भाईचारा, प्रेम, सत्य और अहिंसा, समानता का संदेश दिया, और ऐसे महापुरुष के बारे में कोई अभद्र भाषा का प्रयोग करे तो उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी, और छत्तीसगढ़ पुलिस ने ये कार्रवाई की है और उनके परिवार वालों को भी सूचना दे दी गई है, उसके वकील को भी सूचना दे दी गई है, और 24 घंटे के अंदर में उसे कोर्ट में प्रस्तुत कर दिया जाएगा।
Sumi, I want to come back to you because the Chhattisgarh Home Minister has now reacted and said that it was a secret operation. He's gone on to say that why have any sort of an issue when a criminal has been arrested, and as far as procedural concerns are being raised, sometimes the police is informed, sometimes they're not. But that doesn't mean that the MP Home Minister should have a problem, is what is being said.
Yes, absolutely. In the stern-worded message that has been given by the Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, it has been very clear, and he has casually justified not informing the MP administration. But since the arrest happened this morning from Khajuraho town, which is in Madhya Pradesh, and in fact 25 kilometers away from that, there is a dham called Pajresh Dham. That's where, in a rented room, he was arrested. And certainly, war of words continues between both the governments but a case has also been registered in Chhattisgarh's Raipur. Another case has also been registered in Maharashtra, and in fact several sections of the Indian Penal Code under section 505 and also 294 has been lodged against the Seer Kalicharan. And Chhattisgarh government has very sternly said that anyone who makes any derogatory remark against the father of the nation who has contributed so much in the freedom struggle will have to face consequences whatsoever, and which is why the arrest was made in a very clandestine manner, and the way it was carried out, there was nothing unconstitutional about it. And in fact, the Bharatiya Janata Party also should be on the same page as the Congress is about the arrest of Seer Kalicharan.
All right, Sumi, many thanks for joining us with those details. We also await further reactions on this and how the fight is panning out between Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh at this point. Strong reactions coming in from both sides. And Chhattisgarh government making it very clear that Kalicharan had been picked up for his hate speech. He had insulted Mahatma Gandhi, and Madhya Pradesh government should not really have an issue on it. Another reaction that has come in from Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Let's listen in.
कि दिक्कत क्या हुई है कि जब भी देश की आन बान शान बढ़ती है, देश का सम्मान बढ़ता है, तो कुछ इस तरह के सनकी लोग होते हैं जिनका इस तरह की खुराफात भी बढ़ती है, और उसके लिए जो भी इस तरह के हैं उनकी कार्रवाई उनके खिलाफ होनी चाहिए और होती है।